Hello everybody. Ngayon naman po, pag-aralan natin kung paano po mag-prepare ng sworn statement of accountability for submitted compliance monitoring report. At iyan pong sworn statement of accountability, requirement po yan sa pag-submit po sa online compliance monitoring report. So you cannot submit your compliance monitoring report online kung hindi makapag-attach ng sworn statement of accountability. So ano po ba ang itsura? Paano ba yung sworn statement of accountability? So ito po yung ating template na ginagamit, sworn statement of accountability of the proponent. So pila pa natin to, pwede nyo po itong gayahin, itong template na ito, at ito ang i-attach natin sa pag-submit ng compliance monitoring report. Ang kailangan din natin dito na reference yung pong ating ECC, kung ano po ang project name nung nakalagay doon sa ating ECC. At syempre, dito po kailangan kung sino po ang proponent, siya po ang pipirma sa sworn statement. So, let's start. Sworn statement of accountability of the proponent. This is to certify that all the information and commitments in this compliance monitoring report dito po nag-i-indicate tayo ng semester or monitoring period. Ang semester natin, first and second semester. At yung monitoring period naman, pagka first semester, January to June, kapag second semester, July to December. So itong sworn statement for the particular semester and or monitoring period. So for example, ito ay first semester, January to June 2025. So that's the first semester and monitoring period. At ito naman for the project. So kung ano po ang nakalagay sa ECC, halimbawa ABC Hospital Project, are accurate and complete to the best of our knowledge, and an objective and thorough assessment of the project was undertaken in accordance with the dictates of professional and reasonable judgment. Should we learn of any information which would make this compliance monitoring report inaccurate, I shall immediately bring the said information to the attention of DNR EMB. I hereby certify that no DNR EMB personnel was directly involved in the preparation of this. Lagay natin muna yung project parehas doon sa itaas. So, lagay natin ABC Hospital Project. Compliance monitoring report other than to provide procedural and technical advice consistent with the guidelines in the DAO 2003-30 revised procedural manual. I hereby bind myself to answer any penalty that may be imposed arising from any misrepresentation or failure to state material information in compliance monitoring report. So dito lalagay natin ang pangalan ng proponent. So, halimbawa nakalagay Mr. Peter S. Pan. Siya ang ating president ng ABC Company Inc. Yan. So, dito, yung pong notary, at kapag notarized na po ito, i-upload na natin doon sa online compliance monitoring report. So that is the sworn statement of accountability of the submitted compliance monitoring report. And I hope kayo po ay may natutunan doon at pwede nyo pong tingnan yung iba't iba pang steps sa pag-submit ng compliance monitoring report sa iba nating mga videos. At I hope meron po kayong mapulot ng mga gandang information. So kung kayo po ay gusto pang matuto sa iba't iba pang mga environmental permitting, registration, and reporting, please subscribe, share, and like this video. Maraming maraming salamat po at mag-ingat po tayo lahat and God bless us all.